It's so cold. Is the blizzard over?
It's over.
Even on the polar, it's still cold.
Gosh, it's cold. It still seems like this place is running, but there's like nobody here.
Yeah. Good thing we still have our backpack that our parents gave us.
Hey,
Oh yeah,
don't open
our
the,
baseball.
don't open this bag of chips and stuff. I know what's else in here.
It's pretty yummy though. Okay. Looks like it's all running the same. Cold. Snow everywhere.
It's echoey in there.
Good idea. Let me get my flashlight too.
What's that?
Oh, nice. What'd you find?
Boy,
Revolver?
gun. I've never held one of these before. I mean, I held my dad's BB gun before.
Here, I'll hold the chips for us.
Food source. What does this button do? I'm pretty sure if I pull the trigger it shoots, so I'm not gonna do it. I mean, my pants do have some pockets somewhere. Oh, your pants have pockets too. You can slide stuff
Oh, they
in the
do?
pockets.
Oh, nice.
Okay, let's go. Now. Do you see this?
Yeah.
Safe zone. And wasn't mean if we exit? Can it be? Seems like a running company. Should we head in there to see if we can get any help?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's warm in here.
Oh. Oh. Finally, a reasonably warm place. Looks like a broken elevator. Are you sure this place is still running? Are you sure this place is still running?
How are we supposed to get up? Whoa! Woo! Alright! Well, there's some nice music waiting for him.
Oh, nice. Warning. This area is condemned due to the rapidly spreading nature of viral organic contaminants.
I'm not sure if we should be here. We don't got no gas mask or something. Ew. What's this stuff? Ow! My watch changed. So it's like the radiation meter and it going up.
Probably shouldn't touch that then.
Wait, file.
Oh! Oh! That hurt.
Dang it, there's nothing in the file. Emergency decapitation station. Okay.
Oh. Okay, that's better. Wait, so does that mean that if I... Then I
Wait.
can...
If I read that envelope correctly, it said something about,
Let me...
like, it said, like this.
Okay.
Hello, I am the last person you'll ever hear from. If the apocalypse is over and you're a survivor, good job. And then he said, I'll be down in the canopy, working. And then the rest of the letter said, but beware, if I get contaminated, I'm gonna look like a big head, super flat, and I'll laugh at you. It's weird, I know, but kindly remove your shoes, backpack, and other gear before entering. I guess I'll just go through. Oh! It took my stuff.
What? Which one is mine?
I don't know. Open the bed.
Where do we put them?
Well, hold on. Let me explore.
Boom. Just throw it. Okay, where'd it go? Where did my stuff go? Hello?
Hello? Where?
There
I
you
have an
are.
idea.
Wait, where did my stuff go?
So, off.
I don't know where my stuff went. I just... Oh, wait, is that yours? Yeah, it is. Where'd my stuff go? This isn't good. Maybe all our food sources gone. You got a flashlight?
Got one bag of chips.
Oh! My bag!
Nice.
Okay. I think all my stuff is in here. Everything except my flashlight. Okay. Well, we need to find that.
Dude?
Oh, I found my flashlight. Here, you can have yours back.
Dude?
Yeah? Let me take this key card.
It was only 67 days until the last incident. Why is there incidents here? Remember, safety first. Never walk alone. Be prepared. Be prepared. Never work alone. Never work alone. Never go in alone.
Good thing I have you, bro.
Sure, a lot of
Probably
alone
dead.
situations there.
And this chair is quite comfy.
I don't think it's the
Can't focus
time.
on now.
Hey, but I do indeed need to. He died taking a dump.
That kind of sucks. Wonder what
Yeah.
happened.
Worst stuff you can experience, but I mean, hey, wait,
When you gotta go, you gotta go.
what's this? You know what?
Looks like a tape.
Got this tape. I don't care about it.
What's that noise?
I don't know. But
Oh,
this seems
soda.
like the only hallway there is.
Soda. Sick.
Notice, practice safety.
Hold on. It's gotta be like 50 years old, this soda. Gosh dang. Oh, so disgusting.
Here, let me try. It might be that it's not sugar enough. Yeah, you're right.
Disgusting.
I feel like we're getting
Whoa. I feel like this is where I need my key card.
Maybe. Core room
Wait,
surveillance.
what is this sound button? What does it do?
Ugh,
Whoa.
what did you just drop in? Something right here. Drop it in.
Game room surveillance?
Green, green.
What's that sun thing? Are we
So it's
in the
pointing
game
more.
room?
Hello?
Oh,
Hello?
core, not game room.
Hello? I don't think the microphone. It's this stuff again.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
It's that stuff again. Hopefully this don't burn
Hello?
my hands. Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Mic doesn't work anymore.
Hello?
I'm afraid this is gonna burn my hands if I touch it, but I think we need it for whatever sequence we're about to go into. Oh, it's not that bad. Doesn't even burn at all.
Oh,
Whoa.
I found a bigger piece. Oh, nice.
Ow! That burns for sure. Hot
I wonder
wires.
if we can put in the I wonder if we can put it in the echo room that you found. Maybe
There's a
we'll
hot,
do something.
hot wire jump over.
Level 2. Ooh, more green stuff.
Input.
Oh, look, there's
Uranium
a huge
processing.
piece.
You stay here. I'll be right back.
Hey, wait, I got a whole lot of uranium.
Here, come. There's gotta be a core opener for. Okay, come on. That was good.
Alright, let's separate. I'll call you in on the watch when you get some stuff.
I'll get some research, you get some uranium and put them in that thingy.
Okay.
H9. You see that door?
Yes, I do.
You see the H9 door?
Yes, I do.
135.
Oh,
Friend.
I'm dizzy.
Hey, get over here. Get out.
Oh.
Okay. Now you listen to the intercom. I'll be right back.
Okay, I think I have enough fuel.
That hurt.
Hey, I think it says to stop there.
Oh,
What? Okay. Weird.
Nope. We'll do that some other time. No thanks. We need to get out of here. This place isn't safe. We need to get back into the cold, wintry place.
Got it.
They can regrow. Leave.
Yeah, but then we can kill him again. Come on.
Your bat doesn't last forever, dude. Also,
Well,
I read the message that the
Let's
guy
go.
left for us. I read the message that the guy left for us. Don't go down there. There's a robotic dog. It has rocket launchers and missile stuff. And it'll tell you, stop, 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 stop. Keep on saying that. And if you don't stop and leave, then you're dunzos.
Okay, well, I still want to see that.
It's gonna be nosy. Well, anyways, let's get out of here. Ow, God, that hurt.
Where'd you go?
I went upstairs. I feel like this place is safe, but it's not.
Yeah,
Let's get out of here. Did you hurt your arm or something?
yeah, it's fine.
Here, I'm pretty sure I saw some healing packets somewhere up there. Buddy, it's already off. Heading the wrong way. We shouldn't go that way.
We shouldn't?
No,
Which way do we go? Okay.
back. Ah! That hurt a lot.
Cold again. Here, let me eat a bag of chips. Maybe it'll
That door
help.
just closed on itself.
Where'd my baseball bat go?
I don't
Just
care.
disappeared when I opened
I'm
it.
eating like three. I'm eating like one thing. Oh, I just ate the entire bag.
Well, my arm's better now.
Save.
Still have two in there. Hey, maybe this old buying machine is still working. Maybe I can buy a baseball bat from it.
Well, it says I only have 63 notes. I don't know what I can get with that.
I think I have just enough to buy a baseball bat.
Whoa! Look at all these options. What's this machine? Stash. Enter password to unlock. 1355. Yay! It worked. What is
Why
this
not?
thing? I heard
I'll
that
get
some
a
sort of
crowbar.
scientist with a giant robot a long time ago. This scientist with a robot, this was before the blizzard. He had made something called a Zappler, and his robot kept on trying to gain consciousness, but he just couldn't. It's a funny story.
Oh yeah, I knew about that robot. Wasn't his name like Isaiah or something?
And wasn't the scientist named Max?
Yeah, I think it was. So covered in snow, I can't even. Oh,
I mean, what does the trigger button even do? Hopefully it's not like a gun and it shoots. Wah!
it's not a. You good? Jeez! Jeez! this. It'll help.
Okay. Long time short, the grappler is a bit dangerous. But like, it didn't even, it like slung me.
Let's see what I have in mind. I'm pretty sure it's
Ooh.
9642. Whoa!
Hey dude, look at how fast I can travel everywhere.
Nice.
Oh, I can only go to certain ranges. But I can't grapple onto metal, that makes sense. Wait, it doesn't matter what code you put in. It just matters if you put in a code.
Oh, nice.
Ugh, what was this thing? Whoa! Okay. Not for children under the age of 15. And we are 15,
I
so.
think I saw a version of that in my stash too. It was like blue and big or something. I don't know. Should I bring that out?
What's this thing?
You might be able to melt the snow. Whoa! Look what I found.
Oh, yeah, flamethrower? Hoverboard?
Flamethrower, dude.
Oh, is this like the hoverboard that one guy invented? The scientist with the robot? Next. Whee!
Yeah, let's see. Can it melt the snow?
Wait a minute. If I know anything, wasn't this the same uranium?
Can't even melt the snow.
Yep, definitely the same uranium. I cooled it down.
Oh,
I wonder if you're burning. Here, let me try to fix it.
yeah, I think.
It healed you. This heals people. And I can fly with it. Are you paralyzed?
Can't breathe.
That is the end of the movie. Part 1 though. So, bye-bye.
The reason that I was doing that